Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a breakdance Jhula. First, understand that the Jhula, also known as the baby freeze spin or head spin prep, is a fundamental breakdance move. It involves a controlled circular motion of your body while maintaining a specific pose. This move builds essential core strength and balance, preparing you for more advanced power moves. We'll cover the setup, execution, and common tips to help you master this exciting technique. To begin, find a smooth, open space. Start in a low squat, placing one hand firmly on the ground, fingers spread for stability. Next, gently place the top of your head on the floor, about 6 to 8 inches in front of your hand. Your elbows should be tucked in close to your body, creating a strong base. Distribute your weight carefully, aiming for about 60% on your head and 40% on your hand, ensuring a balanced foundation. Once in position, push off the ground with your feet, initiating a smooth, controlled spin. Keep your body as tight and compact as possible. This helps maintain momentum and control. Your free hand can lightly push the ground to add extra rotation and speed. Remember to keep your core engaged throughout the entire movement. Aim for at least 2 to 3 full rotations initially, gradually increasing as you gain confidence and skill. Many beginners tend to arch their back, which can lead to instability. Instead, keep your core tight and your back relatively flat. Another common mistake is pushing too hard too soon. Focus on smooth, controlled rotations rather than speed. Practice for about 15 to 20 minutes daily to build muscle memory and endurance. Always use a beanie or a thin helmet to protect your head, especially when you are first learning this dynamic move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.